Every day I try to bring you guys some or the other new kind of tech, and today in this video I have something crazy to show you all, and I'm pretty sure this is gonna blow your mind. And also I'm pretty sure that you guys have never seen anything like this anywhere before. So guys, today we'll be checking out the world's first foldable PC from Lenovo. So just when you think that like everything is like common these days, brands start showing something completely different, guys. And I'm like not sure what should I call this thing, because this is like a hybrid concept sort of device. Should you call it like a laptop, or should you call it a PC, or should you call it a tab? You name it. So guys, I'm like super excited to show you Lenovo's brand new ThinkPad X1 Fold, and it packs some crazy features, guys. Like this thing has an OLED display that is like foldable and also has pretty awesome features. So today in this video, we're gonna unbox and check out this product. Let's get started. Alright guys, here's our world's first foldable PC from Lenovo, the ThinkPad X1 Fold. It comes in this sort of box packaging, and this is the generation 1 of foldable PCs available from Lenovo, guys, and I'm like super excited to unbox and show you. There is nothing much written on the package, so let's directly get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the package, and as soon as you open it, there you go guys, there's one more package on the inside, the actual box packaging of this all-in-one PC solution, the foldable PC, and there's also one more accessory box in the package included. Let me quickly open both of these and show you what's inside. Starting off first with the accessory box. So in this package, guys, you get a mains cord for the adapter and a compact 65-watt charger for the PC. And Lenovo was not joking when they said compact. This thing is literally very compact, guys. Looks just like any other smartphone charger and comes with a Type-C cable on it. Anyways, these are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the main product we've been waiting for, the ThinkPad X1 Fold. There you go guys, as soon as you open it, we've got the product at the top, and my god, oh wow, initial impressions, this thing looks just like a tab, right? Any other tab. But let me tell you, looks can be actually deceiving. This thing can do a lot more than what it looks like. Oh my god, look at the finishing. Very beautiful. We'll just come back to the product in a moment. First, let me just keep it aside and let's see if there's anything else in the box. Okay, you also get a stylus in the package. Basically, the tab has like touchscreen, right? So you can do a lot more with this stylus, especially useful for like designers and content creators. And lastly, there's also one more tiny box which includes a Bluetooth keyboard in the package. Oh, now this is what I call a slim keyboard, and it also has a tiny touchpad on it. We'll come back to the keyboard at a later part in the video, guys. Anyways, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's check out the foldable PC. Alright guys, so that was our unboxing and first look at this brand new foldable PC from Lenovo, the ThinkPad X1 Fold. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly tell you about the design and the build quality of the device. So as soon as you hold this product in your hand, the first thing that will come to your mind is this might look like a large size tablet that comes with like a 13.3-inch display. Yes, it has a tablet form factor, but let me tell you, when you hold it and fold it from the center, this thing literally transforms into a compact book-sized form factor. I mean, literally look at the size, guys. It's also very lightweight. It's only around like 1.16 kgs, guys, and you can easily carry this thing anywhere. I like the form factor that it literally looks like a book when you're holding it in your hand. Imagine carrying this to your college or maybe your school, and then you open it up and people are like, damn son, what is that? I really wish we had these sort of stuff way back when I was going to my college, guys. It would have been awesome. Anyways, build quality of the product is also very good. Entire chassis of the body is made of magnesium alloy, quite strong and durable. And if you see the outer material, the outer body is actually wrapped in a genuine black leather, guys. Very premium quality finishing. You've got the ThinkPad X1 branding on one side and Lenovo branding on the other, and there's also an integrated kickstand, guys. So you can just open this flap up like this, and you can simply place it anywhere on maybe like a table or any sort of flat surface. So that is also quite handy if you want to use it like a tablet mode or maybe in the fold mode. And yes, I have to talk about the fold mechanism also. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because this is a foldable PC or foldable tablet, right? So I was a bit skeptical, like how is the build quality? Because the part where it folds the display, right, that is very crucial. But Lenovo has done a very good job, guys. As you can see, the fold mechanism over here is very well designed and keeps the display together. And one thing I do have to mention is, even when you fold the display like this, right, once you open up the display, you can't see the folding thing on the display unless you like turn off the display. So before we actually go in depth and talk about the display and the other stuff, let me give you a physical overview and show you all the available connectivity ports on it. Starting off from the top side, over here you can observe that there's a left-sided speaker. The PC actually has two speakers, guys, stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos on the left and right side. And going to the top side, you've got a Type-C port over here for connectivity purpose and also for charging thing. And you've got two cutouts to let the heat escape and keep the system running cool. There's also a SIM card slot available. And on the other side, guys, you've got a power button, a volume rocker below that. Quality of the buttons is also pretty good. And that is pretty much it, guys. These are all the available connectivity ports on it. And yes, you do have some microphones just below that as well. Now coming to the front part, guys, let me quickly tell you about the display. The ThinkPad X1 Fold comes with a huge 13.3 flexible OLED display with a resolution of QXGA that is slightly higher than Full HD. And it comes with like 95% DCI-P3 color gamut. And we'll be coming to the display part in a moment. And as you can see, guys, I do have to mention the bezels on the display are like quite thick on all the corners. I guess that is because they wanted to keep the whole product a bit more stable, because there's a whole lot of flexible mechanism going on, right? So yeah, that explains it. Anyways, it's got this rubberized texture also everywhere. Feels quite nice also, but I'm a bit concerned about the fingerprints. Now going to the top side, guys, as you can see, it comes with a webcam as well, and then there's also some sensor beside that. And yes, Lenovo has also included some software features also, like as soon as you start that fold activity, the Windows will automatically suggest like, should you go into split screen mode, or do you want to continue using the regular mode, and these sort of stuff. Now what I'll do is I'll just play up some video and then I'll show you how the display quality on it looks like. Just check out the audio sample also on it, and then we'll talk about the display and the audio quality. Oh my god, this is actually leather? Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very interesting laptop to show you all, and this one is like a luxury class of its own, and I'll tell you exactly why also in this video. Everything looks like crisp and sharp, especially text. Maybe you're browsing through websites or you're watching any sort of 4K content, and since it supports Okay, you guys saw the display quality, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you would ask me, well, the display on this device is excellent, guys. Very good display. Now, come on. It's a foldable OLED display, guys. There's nothing less you can expect. Great amount of detail thanks to that QXGA resolution, and also everything looks like crisp and sharp on it. No matter you're reading text on websites or you're watching any sort of content on it. Colors were also like rich and vibrant. They were just popping out on the display, guys. And also the whole color temperature, white balance, everything was spot on. No complaints from my side. And coming to the brightness, it's got like 300 nits of brightness. That is like quite sufficient, but I felt a little bit of more brightness would have been awesome. And on top of that, it's a foldable device, right? So you can fold it like this and use it in any position as per your convenience. Now coming to the sound quality was also very good. I was actually quite impressed, as it was producing much better sound than a lot of other tabs in the market. And it comes with like stereo speakers on the left and right over here and on the other side that are powered by Dolby Atmos, and the sound quality was pretty good. It was producing like great clarity with minimum distortion. No complaints in the audio section from my side. So guys, I know you all have been like eagerly waiting for this part, so let's talk about the performance. And wait a second, I totally forgot to talk about the usability part. So this product actually comes bundled with a stylus and also a Bluetooth keyboard in the box, guys. And the quality of the stylus was pretty nice. It's quite convenient, especially if you are like a designer or maybe an artist who draws a lot of stuff on your tab, right? It's a touch display, so you can easily conveniently use that stylus and do all sorts of work on it. Pretty handy. Now coming to the Bluetooth keyboard, well, Bluetooth keyboard, I was not that satisfied with that quality of the keyboard. Now I know the brand wanted to keep everything like a slim profile on it, minimalistic design and all that stuff, but you won't get that similar experience as you would get on a dedicated laptop's keyboard. You'll have to keep that in mind. And by the way, that is a Bluetooth keyboard and you'll need to keep charging it frequently. So that is pretty much it, guys. Now coming to the performance, well, the ThinkPad X1 Fold is actually powered by Intel's i5 CPU. Now you guys might be like, oh wow, Intel i5 on board. But let me tell you, this doesn't offer the same kind of performance that you would see on a laptop that is powered by Intel i5. That is because this particular device is using an energy efficient hybrid variant of Intel's i5. It's powered by Lakefield series i5 L16 G7 CPU, guys. It's a hybrid CPU that comes with like 5 cores, 5 threads with a max clock of up to like 3 gigahertz, and the performance on this product is kind of mediocre. That is what I can say. See, it's good for like day-to-day usage. If you're a person who just uses this thing for entertainment kind of purpose, like maybe browsing the web, or maybe you're watching some videos on YouTube, streaming movies, or doing basic text editing and these sort of stuff, this is like great. It's also good for like basic office needs also, guys. But if you want to do like maybe some heavy intensive tasks like maybe editing, photo editing, video editing, nah, that won't work over here, because the CPU is not capable of giving that kind of performance. And also there is no dedicated GPU on board. It comes with like Intel's integrated UHD G7 graphics, and you can't do heavy gaming also. It's not a gaming machine, you can't play game on it. Just some basic casual games, that too at low graphics. You can't play AAA title games, that is not possible over here, so keep that in mind. Okay, we're almost coming to an end, so let's talk about the battery life. The product comes with a built-in 50 watt hour battery, and I'd say the battery life was kind of average on a moderate sort of usage, like browsing the web and maybe watching some videos on YouTube, streaming some movies on Netflix with the brightness set to like 70%. I was getting around like 4 to 4.5 hours of battery life. Well guys, that was my video on the world's first foldable PC, the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Fold. It's a beautiful device, love the concept where they're going, good design, excellent display and sound also. But there were a few things I was not that satisfied on this product considering the price point. First is the performance. See, when you're spending almost 2.5 lakh rupees on a product, you want the hardware on it to be like top class, top notch, man, not some hybrid energy efficient i5. They might have done that to increase the battery life, but still, this segment could have been better. Also, it has very less connectivity ports for a PC. There's not even a single USB Type A port available on it, which limits its usability. And lastly, guys, battery life could have been better. Anyways, the X1 Fold pricing starts at 2.5 lakh rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. What do you people think about the product? Do leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. So that is it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to check out this awesome and unique product. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.